Hello student, welcome you all again to the virtual classes. Yes, you are learning in class 1 and we are learning subject maths. Yes, in previous video students we have completed our chapter 5. The name of the chapter was ordinal numbers. Okay, so in this video we are going to learn our new chapter, chapter 6. The name of the chapter is numbers up to 20. Yes, in previous few videos we have learned numbers up to 9. Okay, in this video we are going to see the numbers up to 20. So ready? For that student you have to open textbook page number 58. Yes, here is a warm up question given. Yes, see what is given there. Yes, there is a picture of one birthday party is given. Yes, one party is going on and some small children like you are there enjoying the party. Yes, but here what you have to do, there is a warm up question. Count and write in the box. Yes, you have to count the objects whatever given. Yes, picture of objects given, glass and one snacks. Yes, you have to count that objects and write the correct number in the box. Okay, so that is your ph. Okay, that is your ph. Now you have to take out page number 59. Tens and ones. Yes, what is the concept? Tens and ones. Here see, Pahel and her mother have to arrange flowers into groups to make a garland. Yes, there are 9 flowers. How many flowers do they get if they added one more flowers? Yes, here Pahal and her mother want to arrange flowers in a group. They have 9 flowers. But if they add one flower, how many flowers will they get? Yes, they will get 10 flowers. Yes. So we will see here how many flowers are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Yes, here are 9 flowers. But what will happen if we add? See, there are 9 flowers. How many flowers are these? 9 flowers. Now we are going to add one flower. Yes, 9 plus 1. 9 plus again one flower. So how many flowers will be there? See, count how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. How many flowers are there? Yes, there are 10 flowers. 9 flowers plus 1 flower is equal to 10 flowers. So you can say that 9 and 1 make 10. Yes, 9 and 1 make 10. Now student, we will see more. Okay. Now, see how many flowers are these? Yes, these are 10 flowers. Yes, 10 separate flowers. So you can say 10 ones. Yes, 10 ones. 10 separate flowers are there. So you can say 10 separate flowers. But what will happen if we make a garland or a bouquet of it? Yes, let us see. See, 10 ones or 10 separate flower make bouquet. Yes, a bouquet of 10 flowers. Bouquet of 10 flowers. But how many bouquets are here? Only one bouquet. Can you say there are 10 bouquets? No, only one bouquet is there. Though flowers are 10, when the flowers are separate, you can say there are 10 flowers. But now we have joined them. Yes, in a one bouquet. So here is only one bouquet of 10 flowers. So it is called a 110. What we can say it? 110. One bouquet of 10 flowers is called a 110. And 10 separate flowers called 10 ones. So 10 ones make 110. Yes, 10 separate things, when we join it, we will make a 110. Yes, group of 10. Understand? Yes, now we will see with another example also. Okay, 10 1 makes 110. Do you understand? Yes. Now see the another example. See student, here is a one building. Yes. Now what happens? Some student will come to, you can say there is a class or school and some students are coming here. Okay, let us see how many students will come here. Here is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. How many students are here? 9. Now there is one more student will join them. Yes. So now this 9 plus this one make 10. Yes. These are 10 separate, yes, students. 10 different students are there. So you can say 10 ones. 10 ones. But what will happen if we make a group of them? Yes. Now we are going to make a group of them. Yes, see, a group of 10 students. Group of 10 students. Yes. Can you say the group 10 groups of students? No, only one group is there. So you can say, but the group contains 10 students. So you can say 1 10. 1 10. Yes, when the group of 10 is there, you can say 1 10. And when they are separate, you can say 10 ones. Now see here, 10 ones mean 10 separate students. 110 means group of 10 students. Understand? Okay. Now student, one smart tip is here. 10 is the smallest two-digit number. Yes. 0 to 9 are only one-digit numbers. You have to write only one number to write it. But 10 has two numbers, 1 and 0. Yes. So 10 is the smallest two-digit number. Now see the next. Now here we are going to see the numbers from 11 to 20. Okay. Now you understand that 10 ones make a group of 10. It is called the 110. 110 means 10. Always remember 110 means the number 10. See, you have to repeat after me. 110 means the number 10. Okay. Now what will happen if we add some numbers in this 110? Okay, let us see. For that you have to open your textbook page number 60. Okay. And you have to put your finger whatever I am reading. Now see here, what can you see? A garland of 10 flowers means 110 plus one more flower is equal to 11. Yes, 110 and 1 make 11. Say after me, 110 and 1 make 11. So what is the number name for 11? E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. Okay. See, 110 and 1 make 11. E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. Now, this 110 plus 2, okay, 110 and 2 ones make, two separate flower means 2 ones. When the flowers or objects are separate, yes, that time you have to use ones. And when it is a group of 10, that time you have to use word 110, okay. 110 and 2 ones make 12. Yes, 1 and 2 is written there, 12. T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. Yes. Now the next one garland of 10 flowers plus 3 separate flowers means 110 and 3 ones make 13. Yes, 110 and 3 ones makes 13. Yes, 10 plus 1, 2, 3. After 10, count after 3 up to 3. 10, 11, 12 and 13. Yes, so number name for 13 is THIRTEEN 13. Now see the next. Again one garland of 10 flowers plus 4 separate flowers. So count after this. So this garland you are count it as a 10. Yes, because it is made up of 10 flowers. So you will count it as a 10 plus these 4, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Yes. So you can say 110 and 4 1 makes 14. 110 and 4 1 makes 14. You have to see in your textbook also. Okay, you have to put a finger. See that 10 flowers garland you are going to count it as a 110. And after 10 you have to count the separate flowers. Okay. Now see the garland of 10 flowers. What you will count it as a 10. Yes, 110 plus 5 more flowers. So count after 10. Take a 5 fingers. Yes, 5 fingers. Show 5 fingers and count after 10. 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Yes. So 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. 110 and 5 ones makes 15. So what is the number name for 15? FIFTEEN 15. Now see the next page. Page number 61. Yes. Now here again 110 garland of 10 flowers 110 plus 6 more separate flowers. Okay. So that garland you are count it as a 110 means 10 and after 10 show me 6 fingers. Yes, and count after 10 11, 30, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Yes, the number is 16. If we add 110 and 6, you will get the number 16. And how you are going to read it? SIXTEEN 16. 110 and 6 ones. Yes, separate flowers we are counting it as a ones. 110 and 6 ones make 16. Now the next. 110 and 7 separate flowers. Yes, now you will say like that. 110 and 7 ones. So count after 10. Show me 7 fingers and count after 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. So you can say that 110 and 7 1 makes number 17. Yes, 110s and 7 ones make number 17. So what is the number name for 17? SEVENTEEN 17. Okay. Now see the next picture. 110 and 8 ones. Yes. Now if you add 8 to the 10, 110, what number you will get? 10 plus 8 make 18. Yes. EIGHTEEN 18. Now see the next. Again one garland of 10 flowers means 110 plus 9 separate flowers. Okay. 9 separate flowers. So 110 and 9 separate flowers we are going to say it as a 9 ones. 110 plus 9 1 or 110 plus or 110 and 9 ones make number 19. Which number? 19. The number name for 19 is NINETEEN 19. Now see the last one. 110, yes, one garland of 10 flowers, 110 plus 10 separate flowers means 10 ones. Yes, again 110 means 10 flower and 10 separate flower means also 10 flowers. So 10 plus 10 equal to 20. 1 10 and 10 ones make 20. Number 20. So number name for 20 is TWENTY 20. Okay, TWENTY 20. So student, you understand the concept tens and ones? Yes. When we put a thing separately, you can say it as a 1. Okay, 1 1, 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones, yes, 6 ones, 8 ones. But when we make a group of 10, yes, when we make a group of 10, we said it as a 1 10. Yes, what we called it? 1 10. Yes, and when we called it as a 1 10 in counting, yes, we use it as a 10. Yes, if 110 is there, we will count after 10. Yes, because alternately 10 objects in a group. Understand? So student, you have to go through the lesson. Yes, read page number 60 and 61 again. Yes, count it again and again. And in next video, we will see the number names. Yes, now also I told you the number names, but we are going to write it. Okay, till then student, bye. Have a nice